Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Farmer Nat, aka Natalie. So if you're new here, go ahead, please consider subscribing. Turn on your bell notification so you can get updates on all the good jazz. Now let's get into today's video. Today I'll be harvesting my pumpkin. So I think altogether I planted the seeds earlier this year, and it was the only one that caught. Right now my pumpkin plant is in a 25-gallon pot. I refuse to plant it in the ground for the simple fact that I don't have the land space for it to grow as wild as it can get. Right, so I'll be showing you guys the plant itself. I had an issue with it the other day where caterpillars were taking over the leaves and they ate majority of the leaves. I had to give it a hard prune, so it's growing back some of its leaves, and it's coming along, to be quite honest. But my one pumpkin that's on my plant, is currently ready to be harvested, so we're gonna do that. Now let me preface, pardon my background noise, I have my child here today. There's things going on in the background. I was looking for my, what you call it now, my mic, and for whatever reason I couldn't find it, so we're working with the mic on my phone for now until the new one that I ordered comes in the mail. So let's get to it. Welcome to my pumpkin plant. This is my pumpkin plant, guys. It does look scarce when it comes to the leaves, but to be quite frank, it actually is growing back leaves. So these leaves are relatively new. So it's coming back, and this is my one pumpkin that I have now. This morning I lifted it up and I saw that it had a crack here because I had this pumpkin, because I've been treating it. I've had the pumpkin in this container here. You know, this container is unrelated to the pumpkin plant, and I was just housing it there just to keep it away from the pest control that I was doing with the caterpillar. And something split the pumpkin right here, so see there. And I was like, you know what, I can't even lay to them. I have to pick it. So that is my nice one pumpkin. It's gonna be a big lad. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and prune my pumpkin so you guys can see. All right, guys, so let me take my clip off. My grandmother is gonna be very excited when she sees this video, because she's been telling me a long time to cut the pumpkin, but I wanted it to get really ripe. I don't want it to get like yellow or like that orange color, but I wanted it to get as mature as possible. So yeah, this is my first fruit, my first harvest from my pumpkin plant, and I am super excited. Watch out. Hey, my pumpkin. I'm excited, so excited. Look. So yeah, I can actually put this down for a little bit before I even use it. I'm not going to make no soup today. On a Saturday, but I will be making soup, and this is going to be what I put in there. So yeah. That concludes today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching me harvest my one pumpkin. Look at my pumpkin. I am so proud. Listen, there is something about planting, watching it grow, doing all the things to make sure it's healthy, and then you finally come to that day of harvest where you actually have the evidence of the fruit of your labor in your hand, literally. So I'm very excited, as you can see. Again, if you're new here, my name is Natalie. The channel is Farmer Nat, an apprentice farmer, just taking you alongside my journey so that you can see what we're doing over here and learn and grow with me. Until next time, please feel free to subscribe. Turn on your bell notification so you are aware of when I post new content. Until next time, see you.